What's going on, folks? I'm going to make this video to show you what you could do just in case you have like some scratches on your vehicle. One thing that you can use to get rid of scratches on your vehicle, as long as they're not too long or too wide pretty much, is that you can use some toothpaste to do this with. I happen to be using some Ultra Bright toothpaste, but you could use pretty much any type except for anything that's like a gel or anything with like sparkles or something like that in it. You don't want to put that on there. But all you have to do pretty much is take like a bead of toothpaste pretty much and just put it on the scratch that you want to get out. Alright, so now that I got the toothpaste on, all I'm going to be doing now is taking like a dry clean cloth, and I'm just going to be going in a circular motion, making circles with it just like that. If you can see what I'm doing, and you can see how that scratch pretty much is going away. It's still a little bit there, but I'm gonna go over it with a second coat. But you can see this part right here how it's really light now compared to this part right here what I didn't do with the toothpaste. But this is something definitely that you can do to take out small scratches and scuffs on your vehicle. I'm gonna go ahead and finish this part right here, and I'm gonna show you the end result. Okay, so as you can see now, you pretty much can't see the scratch at all. So once again, all you need to do is take you a bead of toothpaste, put it on the scratch that you're trying to take out, take you a dry cloth, wipe it in a circular motion pretty much to get the toothpaste all across the scratch. And then once you're done, you want to go ahead and take like a dry rag and go ahead and take the toothpaste back off of it. And as long as your scratch wasn't too big or too deep, it should completely go away. You could see just a little bit of it left pretty much, but for most part, it should take care of your issue. Alright folks, once again, this is how you could get scratches off your vehicle using some toothpaste, just in case the scratch is not that deep or it's not that wide. And also, like I said, don't use gel toothpaste, and don't use anything with some type of sparkles or anything like that inside of it. Just plain toothpaste, baking soda toothpaste, whitening toothpaste, any of that should work fine. Alright, please check out our other helpful videos. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks.